Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Exness to TradingView in 2026. For that, simply come here on tradingview.com. After that, you just have to basically log in into your TradingView account if you haven't already. So here, by default, you will be on this particular page. So use the search bar on the top, then click on the option of futures or forex over here so that it could show you the list of all of the indices or the commodities or the forex charts which you can basically launch here in your TradingView account. So I want you to look for the option of gold, then click on the option of launch chart. You can also use the search bar here on the top, and then you can search for XAU USD, and then you can basically launch the chart of gold in front of you. Now, once you do this, once you are here inside the gold chart, simply click on the option of the trading panel in the bottom left hand corner of the screen. Now click on the option of show all brokers. It is going to give you the list of all of the brokers which can be connected to your TradingView account. So since we want to connect Exness, you can look for the Exness icon over here. You can also use the search bar on the top right hand corner of the screen and you can search for Exness. Now, if you are able to find the Exness account over here, it is well and good. You just have to click on that, then click on the option of connect and simply connect your account of your Exness account with your TradingView account by providing your Exness login credentials. But as you can see, that particular option is not available in my region. So what you can do is, in this particular situation, you can open a new tab, then you can come here on exness.com. Once you are here, click on the option of sign in, then provide your login credentials associated with your Exness account, and you need to basically log in into your account. Now inside Exness, you are also going to see the chart on which you can basically analyze the trades. You can also use TradingView for analyzing the chart over here with the help of these particular options that are given here. So after analyzing the chart, you can manually punch the order here in your Exness account, and this way you can use basically Exness and TradingView together. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. I will see you in the next one.